Hello UOTians, Chetan this side and welcome to UOT MBA. This video is all about financial modeling and valuation training by Internshala. What is the significance of financial modeling training and how does it help you in MBA? That is very important aspect or information that you should definitely know. So what is financial modeling? Basically it is representation of companies data in the form of spreadsheets or different models so that it helps you in decision making on the current or the forecasted financial situation. Correct. So this is in general what is financial modeling. And now when I talk about different areas under finance, then these are the areas: corporate finance, project finance, equity research, credit rating, investment banking, wealth management, and financial risk management. So this information is useful for a person who wants to target finance specialization but does not know anything about it. Now if you want to explore all the areas, then there are some files that will definitely help you. I have given the links. Now next discussion is all about why should you go for the financial modeling course. Very simple reasons: you get an edge as compared to the other MBA students with you, your friends or your competitors during the placement season. Correct. And by default you get to learn a lot of things that are useful in your academics as well. More than 10,000 students have enrolled and it is a 6-week program with placement assistance. I'll explain you this placement assistance. Scroll down, you will find what are the training highlights. Correct. You can learn from your home, no need to go anywhere else. You get certificate of training. Then you have about 72 video tutorials. You have to build 2 projects. There is doubt clearing forum, beginner friendly. It is not necessary that you should have basic knowledge about finance. You can definitely start without any prior knowledge. You will have access to the program for 6 weeks and the content is downloadable. The certificate is industry recognized. By default, you know Internshala by the name of a platform which provides internships or helps students with internships. Correct. This is another vertical where they are trying to help students with profile building. Now, what is placement assistance? So by default, you will get a placement preparation training in your dashboard. So you'll get access to curated internships and jobs. That is, you will get notification in your dashboard only. The next thing is very important. There are recruiters who search for students on the Internshala platform. If someone is searching for a particular profile or particular student, then your profile will be highlighted. This is for the toppers only or top performers. Now the next aspect is understanding the syllabus. You go through the basic Excel tools, then financial modeling tools. You learn different formatting and condition techniques. Then there are investment decision techniques, application of decision techniques, financial statement analysis. This is very important from academic perspective as well. Academic in the sense that will help you in your MBA college or in your MBA syllabus. Then valuation, report writing as well. There are 2 projects: company valuation and financial statement analysis. And who are your teachers? Ankur Kapoor and Sarvesh Agrawal. Please check the credentials of these people. They are highly qualified people and that's the reason they are your teachers. Correct. If the content is coming from credible people, then it is definitely worth it. Then there are reviews you can definitely go through. So that's it in this video. I hope I have helped you. You can definitely target this particular training. It is a certified training and you get a discount as well. You can use this code. The same code is given in the description box. It just helps you to get additional discount. There are tons of courses out there which are in detailed or long courses. This particular training is sufficient to give you an overview or to get you started, kind of head start. If you want to explore more on profile building, then you can definitely go through this article, how to build a profile for MBA. You can read this article or there are videos, a complete playlist. You can check that playlist. The shop section will give you access to discount up to 30% on different test series and certification courses. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Stay connected and always keep that smile up.